getting these in, Long Island cheese, and I don't know how to say that. They're both pumpkins. They're these two, Long Island cheese. Musky de Provence, I have no idea. Should withstand the squash vine borers, but I really should have gotten them out in mid-May to give them a head start before pests really got crazy. Unfinished green room, and we got the farm fridge out here. It's sweating some, so we really need to get a fan or two installed out here, but for now I'll probably just get a box fan or something just so I can blow in this direction. That's why I have the front and the back door open to let the air flow through, because that's not really good for the fridge and I want it to last. So what I'm doing now is I got these vines off of some, I still have a lot more in the pantry. Yeah, my pantry has these growing in them. The sweet potatoes are actually still good to eat, so I really need to go ahead and cook some sweet potatoes. It's been a while, so anyway, I got these off of sweet potatoes I grew last year, and all I'm doing is getting some 4-inch pots, putting some dirt in there, and then I'll just put that in there pretty deep and water it and put it in the sunshine, and then it will root in about, after I harvest my onions is when I'm going to transplant these out in the garden. So I'm gonna say maybe a month from now, and then we'll have sweet potatoes growing. These are just extra plants that I'm putting out in this bed I harvested potatoes from. So just random things, tomatoes, that's I don't know how to say it, turbinado or something, zucchini. And then I'll put some basil out here. These are just some extra basil that I have. Italian basil, Gino basil, purple basil, and some Thai basil. They're not in the best condition. I've kind of neglected them since I've been working on just building and things like that. So I can't wait until structures are all done and I can just focus on plants. Sometimes you just have to work when it's getting dark. Now I'm just watering the sweet potatoes that I planted.